I'm Shayna, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And please subscribe if you haven't already. I've been putting out a lot of plus size fashion videos on this new YouTube channel, and I've really been enjoying getting to know other members of this YouTube community. So again, please like and subscribe, and I welcome all your comments, and I'd love to check out your channel if you have one as well. As you've seen from the title, today I'm going to be doing a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. So we have the Stitch Fix box here. Hello! That's my stylist card. So let's take a peek at the note from the stylist. Hi, and welcome back for your 16th fix, Shayna. Wow, I didn't realize I'd ordered that many. I hope this finds you well and brings you a smile. I'm sorry the price points in your last fix were higher than you prefer. That is true. I ended up actually returning, I think, everything in the last box. I just couldn't justify paying the prices that they were asking. For this fix, I focused on keeping prices as low as possible without sacrificing quality or style. Alright. Cool. I'm not going to go over the items because I want to just show you. I can't wait to see your thoughts on everything. XO Reagan. Thanks, Reagan. All right, so let's start getting into the items. First, there's a burgundy top. Oh, looks nice. It's got a V-neck and some little, like, tiny kind of crochet cutouts along the neckline. This is from the brand West Key or K-E-I. It's called the Avalon Lattice Detail Blouse in a size 2X. That's very cute. Some little white diamond print. Alright. The next is this nice dark teal color. Ooh, I like the color. Let's see. This is from the brand 41 Hawthorne. And it is called the Vana Henley Stretch Knit Top in teal green, also in a 2X. Cute, great color. Alright. Ooh, I think I've seen this before. Next we have a beacon top in navy blue. This is called the Cali tie front knit top, also in a 2X. And it has some little buttons and a tie detail and some little like lacy crochet on the sleeves. Cute. I think I've seen a fellow YouTuber try this one on. Alright. Ooh, something in bright green, maybe a St. Patrick's Day item. Again, from the brand Beacon, this is called the Mindy Cuff Sleeve Knit Top in green, also in a 2X. I like the color. It's very lightweight material, good stretch. And the last item, it looks like this whole box is tops, which is, I'm fine with that, because that's actually what I need, and I would like to incorporate some new tops into my spring wardrobe here. This is a tank from the brand Skies Are Blue, also in a 2X. It's called the Xena Split Neck Top. I don't know how I feel about the pattern for some reason. It's navy and white with like a different pattern along the neckline and then along the top of on the back. This material doesn't feel like it has hardly any stretch at all. Alright, so those are the items. If you don't know, Stitch Fix is an online styling service where you go in and enter some questions about your style and your sizes, and then an online stylist gets assigned to you, and they select 5 items of clothing. They also have shoes and accessories if you'd like to receive those items. They send them to you in this nice little box here that I showed you. Along with a return envelope. You get to try on the items. You only pay for what you keep, and everything else you put in the return envelope they send you, send it back, and give your feedback to improve future boxes that you may choose to order. If you'd like to try it for your first time, you can click the link in the description box for your first free Stitch Fix box. After that, it's a $20 styling fee to receive a box, and if you keep anything from the box, that $20 goes towards any item you keep. Additionally, if you keep all 5 items, you get, I believe, a 25% discount off of the total after your $20 is credited. So that can be a great deal, the goal being that you like everything that they select for you, so you get that benefit of that great discount. So I'm pairing all these tops today with a Nanette Lepore pull-on skirt that I've had for a while that I really enjoy. And here's the first top. This is from the brand West Key or West K, K-E-I, and it's the lattice neck detail. It has just a subtle lattice cutout along the V-neck here. I really like how this fits. It's flowy without being oversized or too boxy. The material's nice and light. It has a subtle stretch, but not much. And then it has these little white paired diamond pattern with the burgundy background, obviously. The sleeve length is nice. The length of the shirt, it could be a tad longer for my ideal preference, but it's not too short. And I really like the V-neck. It's a nice modest V-neck line. And I'll come a little closer so you can see the pattern there. And I really like this top. I think it's a great top to throw on casually or to dress it up with some nicer dress pants, and a great top for work as well. Off to a good start. This top is the 41 Hawthorne Henley stretch knit tank in this nice deep teal color. It has a split neck with some faux buttons, and then it looks like it's buttoned up about halfway, but you can't actually unbutton it. The whole thing is faux buttons. It is, like the name implies, a good stretch material. It's a little bit of a heavier material, which is nice, so it doesn't cling too much to the body. It's longer in the back than in the front. It just comes down kind of over the butt. Nice wide straps. I feel like the armholes are a little lower than, just a little bit lower than I would want them to be in a perfect world, but not crazy, which that's unusual because that's not really something I often encounter. Here's a closer look at the faux button notch neckline. It has some little darts here, which I'm not sure if I think those are hitting me in a flattering location. Not really. But the color is great and the fit is nice. And basically I told them turquoise and teal were my favorite colors. And basically I was looking for stretchy, flattering tops and with a nice open neckline, so I'd have to say they delivered on this piece. This is the Beacon brand tie front knit top in a nice navy blue. It has some lace, lacy sort of sleeves, cap sleeves, buttons all down the front, and then the little tie gather in the middle there. First impression, I think I like this top, and a shout out, I believe I've seen my fellow YouTuber Amanda Yasmin try on this top from Stitch Fix as well. So hey to her, check out her channel if you haven't already. The buttons are gaping just a touch, although the material is very nice and light and stretchy, and so I can kind of pull it forward, and then basically only the top button is gapping just a little bit. Let's see. And they're not real buttons, so I can't even unbutton the top one there, which I might have preferred to do. There's a little closer look at the cute little embroidered sleeves. It's not a bad length. I really like how soft and light the material is. Part of the tags. Again, I think this is delivering for what I asked for. It's nice and stretchy, open neckline, V neckline, and it's pretty cute, not too mature in style. What do you guys think? This top is also from the Beacon brand. I really like the bright green color. It could be festive for St. Patrick's Day coming up. It also has really soft, nice, stretchy, lightweight t-shirt material with cute cuffed sleeves that come down a nice length. The V is nice. It has these sort of little darts right in the middle, which I'm not too sure about, although I think it does help it kind of flow over the tummy a little bit better than if it wasn't there. I like it. I like the color. I like the fit. I like the material. I like the neckline. But judging, we'll see how much it costs. But usually, Stitch Fix prices are, I think, a little overly high for these basic kind of t-shirts that I could get for, you know, maybe $10 or less at Walmart. Just a basic V-neck. But I like it, and it follows all my requested rules like I've gone over. Here's a look at the back. Again, it's a little bit longer in the back, but it doesn't quite cover my butt. I do like this, I like bright green colors because I have green or hazel eyes, so I think that that's usually a good color in my opinion. Here's the final top. Again, it's a split neck tank. This one is from the brand Skies Are Blue. Honestly, I think this is my least favorite item. I don't hate it, but I just don't really like it. I don't know, I didn't like the pattern on first sight. I'm not sure why. I like navy blue and white, generally speaking, but just something about how this one is put together with the different pattern on the neckline. I'm not really feeling it. The fit is also kind of weird, and there's no stretch in this. It's like a sturdy kind of cotton, but with no stretch. And the fit is a little weird. I feel like it's a little bit oversized here in the armpits, and then it's a little bit kind of, I don't know, just weird on the stomach and hips area. It fits, but then it kind of bunches up either in the front or the back if I try to adjust it to where I think it should lay. Yeah, it's not bad, it's just not my style, and the fit isn't great. I greatly prefer items to have at least some stretch to them. It just generally has a much better chance of fitting my plus size body with my larger bust and larger apple-shaped midsection. Yeah, it's cute. I could find ways to style it, like with a little jean jacket that I have, you know, if the colors are nice for spring or summer, but just not really feeling it. But maybe you'll like it and you can request it in your Stitch Fix box. Alright, now that I've tried on the items, let's look at the damage, what the potential prices are if I choose to keep these items. The West Key V-neck top is $38. The 41 Hawthorne, the teal green Henley stretch knit tank The navy blue cuff sleeve knit top is $38 as well. And the Skies Are Blue Xena split neck top, the navy and white one that I didn't really like, is $44. So basically, 3 of the tops were $38, and then the teal has $44, and that blue and white split neck tank is $44. Subtotal would be $202, and then if I buy all, the 25% discount would be $50.50 off. So to keep everything, I would have to pay $151.50. But I'm pretty sure I'm not going to keep everything just because I really don't like that navy and white top. I could think if there's someone that I could gift it to, but I don't really want to give something that I don't like unless I think they would really love it, and nobody's coming to mind off the top of my head. And like I said, that like the green top, I don't think that's worth $38 when I could go get a V-neck, you know, green t-shirt from Walmart or somewhere for about $10. But let's see. The burgundy top I really did like, so I might consider keeping that. Or that navy blue tie front, I like that as well. And those were both $38, so I'll think about it. Which items do you think I should keep? Did you have any favorites? I look forward to hearing your feedback, and thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And again, I welcome any and all comments, and I look forward to hearing all about you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.